Hi, in this video, we'll walk through the Adivaha Viator tour admin details and let's see what all options we have it in admin. I'll simply click on Adivaha. Then I'll navigate to Adivaha Viator tours basically. So this is the Viator tours. So once we click on it, these are the options that we can go with. So this is the shortcode. These are the shortcodes that we can use in order to create multiple pages. We have different videos for respective shortcodes. So for better understanding, then this is your Viator affiliate ID that you received from Viator. If you do not have such ID, you can simply register and obtain your affiliate ID. Now this is the results page. Even this drop down is discussed in the respective video. Now after then we have default destination, which is currently set to Paris. So this is the default destination that I'm talking about. So I'll go to visit site, and over here this is the tour. So this is the default destination that you can set from admin. So this is it in Viator tours. uh, do let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.